Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the guide and channel buttons on the Apple TV remote on iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So, what you want to do is to open Settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, tap on Accessibility, then swipe down, tap on Apple TV Remote, and here you have the options to Live TV buttons, and this means if you turn this feature on, so just tap on the button, now it's on, now it's off, it is always going to display guide and channel buttons on the Apple TV Remote. So on the application that you have on your iPhone, if you just type here and click remote, now I don't have a TV connected to my iPhone, but here the guide and channel buttons are always going to be displayed once you turn on this feature. So again, how to get to the settings: so open Settings, swipe down, tap on Accessibility, swipe down, tap on Apple TV Remote, and just turn on this feature. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!